Today, let us see about the rotate and scale commands. Let us start with the rotate command. The command equivalent of the rotate command is RO. The rotate command allows you to rotate objects around the base point to an absolute angle. So first, let us draw a triangle here by using the polygon command. I have just drawn the triangle here. Now select the rotate command, this one here. Once you select the rotate command, the command window prompts you to select objects. So in this case, select this triangle here. And then press enter. After that, you are now prompted to specify the base point. The base point is the point about which you rotate the object. So in this case, I'll specify the base point here. Now you are prompted to specify the rotation angle. The coordinates are like this. So now you can type in the angle, or you can simply rotate the cursor about the base point until you get the rotation angle you want. In this case, I'll type an angle of 270 degrees and then press enter. As you can see, the object is rotated at an angle of 270 degrees. Now in this example, I started by selecting the rotate command and then I selected the object. But you can also start by selecting the object followed by the command. So now let us select the triangle here. Let us select the triangle here and then select the rotate command. And now you are prompted to specify the base point. So I'll specify this point here to be the base point. After that, select the copy option in the command window. This option here. The copy option allows you to make a copy of the object in a new position that you specify without erasing the source object. So after you select the copy option, now you have to specify the rotation angle. In this case, I'll type 90 and then press enter. As you can see, a copy of the triangle is created at a rotated angle of 90 degrees around the base point, this one here. So now let us select this one here. Then let us now see about the reference option. So now let us go to the reference option. So I'll begin by selecting this triangle, then select the rotate command. So that will specify the base point here. And then let us select the reference option in the command window, this option here. Now after select the reference option, you are now prompted to select the reference angle or specify 2 points location to set an imaginary line that will act as a reference line and that which also will be rotated to a new angle. So in this case, I'll specify this point and this point here. And now you are prompted to specify the new angle. So in this case, just type 270 degrees as your new angle and then press enter. As you can see, the reference line is rotated to an angle of 270 degrees, and that is all about the rotate command. So let us select this. Now let us see about the scale command. The keyword equivalent of the scale command is SC. The scale command allows you to enlarge or reduce selected objects, keeping the proportions of the object the same after scaling. So first, let us draw a rectangle here. And now select the scale command. After select the scale command, you are now prompted to select the object. So select this rectangle here and then press enter. After that, you are now prompted to specify the base point. The base point acts at the center of the scaling operation and remains stationary. In this case, I will select this point here to be the base point. This point here. After that, you are now prompted to specify the scale factor. Now you have to type in the value. A value greater than 1 enlarges the object, and a value between 0 and 1 shrinks the object. In this case, I'll type in 1.5 and then press enter. As you can see, the size of the object has been enlarged. Now select the scale command again. And then select this rectangle and press enter. Now you're prompted to specify the base point. So I'll specify the base point to be here. After that, You can see there are two options here, the copy and reference. Let us select the copy option. The copy option enables you to create a copy of the new scaled object. So as you can see, once you select the copy option, the command window prompts you to specify a scale factor. So in this case, just type 0.5 and then press enter. And now, as you can see, the object is scaled down by 0.5 units, and its copy is generated without even erasing the source object. Now erase the big rectangle here. Let us erase this one. And then select the scale command again, and this time go to the reference option. So I'll select the scale command, and then I'll select the rectangle here and press enter. After that, I'll specify this point here to be the base point, and then select the reference option, this one here. Now, once you select the reference option, the command window prompts you to specify a reference length. Now let us select 2 points for our reference length. So select this point here and this point here. After that, you're now prompted to specify the new length. So drag the cursor to the right and see that your object is being scaled. As you can see here, as I drag the cursor to the right, the object is being increased in size. And when you get the size you want, just right click. In this case, I think this size is enough here, so right click here. And as you can see, we just use the reference option to scale the rectangle. And that is all about the scale command.